Hello, I've come on with a very small haul from the works. I actually went in to get something particular but they didn't have it in stock. But I did come out with a few bits and pieces. First of all, these gouache paints. There's 12 in here for £5. I've never had a go with these before, so I thought I'd just give them a go, and if I don't like them, it's not really like I've wasted that much money. And then I got some washi tape and stickers. So I've got this reel of stickers, which is faux stamps with flowers on, and I just think they are beautiful, and I'm still trying to find where they start to repeat themselves. That you do get some repeats obviously, but there's a lot on there. I don't know how long the reel is, but yeah, you've got a lot of different ones on there, and I just think they are so pretty. And then I've got these stickers. These are sort of bookish and self-care stickers. We've got Be the Hero of Your Own Story, Shelf Love, Happy Thoughts, Name 3 Things You Love About Yourself, Positivity Stamps. Oh, so these are like tiny little sayings. But again, you get quite a few, and I think that... no, I don't know where they start to repeat themselves actually. They must repeat themselves, these can't all be different. Oh yeah, there's Be the Hero of Your Own Story. So you do actually get quite a few. Again, it's quite a thick roll as well. And then I've got this washi tape, which is bookish as well. So we've got Bookaholic, Page Turner, Just One More Chapter, and Book Nerd. And then I think it starts to repeat itself. Again, it's quite a thick roll. And then I got some stickers which match that washi tape. So these are the bookish ones, and we've got things like Reading is Good for the Soul, The Book is Always Better, Go Away, I'm Reading. There's 100 stickers on each of these packs. I really love these sort of bright but pastel colours, if that makes sense. I love these glasses on this one where it says Book Nerd. And hopefully you can see the last one because of the brown backing card. And then there is some floral ones. Again, really pretty. So it's £2 for 100 stickers. And you've got some postage marks on this one as well. And there's also some frames. Oops, zipped on that one. And we've got a bit of text as well. And that's the last page. Then I picked up some sort of camera ones, which I thought would be excellent in scrapbooks. I've got a lot of pictures of my dog and a lot of pictures of my niece, which obviously I want to do something with. This one we've got the little reels of film as well, which is cool, as well as some of the sayings. I want to remember this. Life is like a camera, focus on what's important. And then we've got like little bits where you could write. I'm not sure what sort of pen you'd need on that because it's quite smooth. So you probably need some sort of permanent pen. And on this one we've got date and location with some of the Polaroid frames, and similar on the back as well. And then they also had in that same sort of range these 3D stickers. Now there's 12 in this one, and they've obviously already got their phone pads on, but you could probably just take those off. I wouldn't imagine it would be too much of a problem. Life is like a camera, focused on what's important, take another shot, smile for the camera, make memories, every picture tells a story, I want to remember this, and memories. And then you've got the 5 different cameras. That is my very small haul, like I said, from the works. Please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're not already a subscriber, I would love you to subscribe. Until next time, cheerio.